just been doing a bit of work on the dt125r, and I thought I would do a video on the wiring. So it didn't have a spark, and I've just gone through the wiring and I've got it sparking. So it's a 3RM model. This is the wiring diagram that I got out of the manual. I've just took a photocopy of that so it doesn't get dirty while I'm working on the bike. So I'll show you what I've done. So basically, these are the ignition wires here. I've tied them two together, yellow and blue, black and blue. There's a brown and a blue and a red. The camera focuses. So that would be on your ignition switch, the key switch, these two. And that's what would switch over. So I've just put an on and off switch there, because this is a field bike. A lot of people are probably just using these as field bikes, and they probably just want to get them going from the field. So yeah, I've put a switch in there instead of buying a new ignition for it, because that's all I need for this bike. And then the kill switch, there's another switch for the kill switch that I've put in. So I'll put that on the other side of the bars. And that just goes onto the original kill switch wires there. So there's a blue and a black, and a white and a blue. So basically they're just joined in circuit for the kill switch. Also, it's worth knowing, so you've got a stand switch as well here. The wires on there, can't see, they've got a bit of paint on them. Is it a blue and a white? I think yeah, blue and a white and a black, them there. So you don't need a stand, obviously, you don't need a stand switch on this, so they're just fixed together. So this bike, I've put a battery on it. I'm going to be running a headlight. This is going to be an off-road bike, but I'm going to put a headlight on it. The bike has got numbers in, so I'm just doing it, and I'll leave it to the devices of whoever buys this bike, and they can do what they want with it. They can put it on the road, or they can use it off-road. So while I'm doing the video of the wiring on the bike, I'll just show you the tank and panels I've painted. So that's the tank I've painted there, and I've cut some Red Bull decals out and put them on it. That's the side panel that's going to go on it, so I've cut them decals out there, I've painted it and put them on and lacquered over, and I'll show you the rear panels. So that's one of the rear panels. I've done that design there. I cut them Yamaha writing out, and obviously the number 7 with the number 7 board behind, they're done with decals as well. And just put them on the panel that I painted, and then I've lacquered over it all. So that's another DTR125 that I'm building, and that's just what I'm doing with the wiring. It might help someone that's wanting to know what wires to join together if they've not got a spark on one of these. Other things, if you've not got a spark on one of them, I mean, your wiring might be okay. It could be the CDI, you might have to try another CDI, or it could be the ignition coil on it, or HT lead, or something like that. Just trace your wiring and trace your bits and bobs and see what, see if you find any problems. So that's the video of the electrics on my DTR125 3RM. I'll upload another video soon once I get the bike all built up and running. In the meantime, I'll be doing a video of our weekend at Oliver's Mount. If you're interested in watching that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.